Okay, so I got the headlights on. I can turn that off. I'm going to be testing the battery today. Turn that off. I just got a little voltmeter, setting it to direct current voltage. And with the engine turned off, I'm going to see what this reads. There. 12.1. So this battery is dying. It's on its last legs. The number that I'm looking for is 12.6 or 12.5.
I should add that there isn't a universally agreed voltage number that will indicate that your battery is dead, but here's a couple different charts. To know for sure, you need to use a battery tester. But my battery is 5 years old and it's taking longer to start the car.
So this is looking like it's going to need a new battery. Okay, it's time to take out the old battery. I've got a mess here because I got these wires threaded through the old battery.
Don't worry if you don't see these wires on your car. These are a few aftermarket accessories that I've added to the car.
Okay, battery terminal's undone. I should just be able to lift this guy out now. Oh no, there's a block down there. I forgot about that. Okay, and that one, that block, the battery block holder that holds the battery in place, is also an 8mm like the rest. All right, old battery is out. New battery should be the same size. Gotta pop off these guys first. All you need is a screwdriver. Okay. And these are brand new, so I can put down these protectors. Okay, this is a brand new battery, so I don't need to clean anything off with this. This is just a $5 terminal cleaning tool. But I do want to clean these off. Okay, so that looks good to me. We can drop down our battery in our spot there. These little accessories. You won't have these little accessories, I don't think. I added a few things directly to the battery, a few accessories. Okay, good, that's not going anywhere. I don't need this extender on anymore. Start with the negative side. Okay, that's on good. We get to get our hot one on. Okay. Put this back over. But actually, I really don't need to do that just yet because I got one more step I want to do. Now, I've never had any corrosion problem on this truck, but I want to keep it that way, so I'm just going to use this corrosion preventative. Alright, we want to test to make sure this new battery will start the car up okay. That was great. It started much faster than the other battery. And let's just test the alternator by testing it again. But this time with the alternator running because the car's running. And we'll see what the voltage is. Hopefully it's a volt higher. There we go. That alternator is rocking along. Rocking along. Love that.